Hey folks, welcome to Peatball Shop. I got a crimper here that WORKPRO sent me. Asked me if I'd do a review on it. So that's what we're going to do. So in the box, that's it. That's all you got right there. And this thing is designed to spring loaded. Let me get that out of the way. It's spring loaded, but that's not going to be how you crimp with it. Okay, this thing will crimp like 8-gauge wire all the way to 3/0 wire, the heavy stuff, your battery cables, that's the small side, up to your welding cables. If you've got those big copper lugs, this is what you need. And what you do is you take this thing, get you a couple of screws and bolt that thing to the table real good, but you'll put that crimp right in this V, right in this groove right here, and it'll be setting up a little bit. And then you get you about a 2 or 3 pound hammer and you strike that thing on top just like that, hard as you need to. One strike is supposed to get it, but I don't have the lugs to put in this thing. But y'all give this thing a look. This is the hammer lug crimper tool from WORKPRO, and look at that. I think that's going to work really, really good. There's been several occasions when I might have needed something like this. And hey, they even recommend you wear goggles when you strike this thing. Y'all looking to crimp some big stuff, 8-gauge up to 3/0? Give us a look. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day. We're out.